Alright, new unboxing time. Got this Aether Drift collector booster box. You can see the price I paid for it here. Most likely, I don't think there's too much of big hits here. Hopefully I get the price of the box anyways. But who knows, we will see soon. Alright, let's get into it. How do I open this cleanly so that I don't break anything? I want to store the empty box. Maybe scissors will help here. Yep. Yeah, this is my first actual collector booster box. Our corner is boosted. Very hopefully stuff inside is not broken. Yeah, this is my first actual collector booster box. Most likely not the best one to get, but it was cheapest one from the actual store I found, so fingers crossed. I think there should be a box topper, I don't know, hopefully. Okay. Alright, yeah, there's a box topper here. Let's leave this as a last one. Let's see if there's any damage in there. Looks good to me. Nothing in the corners. Okay, so we have 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boosters. Let's leave these here and let's get cracking. I think there was some special order where the cards are in here. Maybe it was 4 from top to down. Let's do testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. First booster. Okay, I don't think it went quite right. We have the rare in here. Prophet of Scarab. Again rare. Topper Fabricator. Midnight Mangler. Burner Rocket. Mountain. Push the limit. Detention Chariot. Country Roads. Starting Column. Foil. Yeah. And previous ones have been foiled too. Goblin Surveyor. Venomsa Lagak. Saddle. Interface Ace. Okay, now we are in the top parts. Token. Rare. Crypt Colors Chariot. Nice kitties. Creaturate Dinosaur. Regal Imperiosaur. And Mythic Valorous Flagship. No foil or anything special. Details in here. Okay, nice. Again, I will check the values and stuff after I have opened everything. Second booster. let's try again. Let's put 5. Still not enough. We have rare, Gastal drill, rover plates, broadcast rambler. I like this skater or street art style. Plane, Dune Drifter, artifact vehicle, Carrion Cruiser, and rover blades. Did we have a different? Oh yeah, we had alternate art. Wreck remover. Alacaster Jaguar, Engine Rat, Zombie Rat, Trip Up, Dropter. Now we have Rare, Sita Varma, Masked Razor, Land, Wastewood Verge. Oh, where the Verge lands. I think they may have some value. Bazari, Tomorrow's Champion, Human Knight, rare, and we have rare Adaptive Omni Tool. No mythics in that case, or that booster. Third one. Oh, was there some special quests in here too? Didn't notice, maybe they were on these packs already. Let's try 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we have common. Skybox Ferry, Hounded Hellride, Swamp. Oh, that's nice, real nice. Defend the Rider, Dracosaur Auxiliary, Hour of Victory, Pro-Catcher Specialist, Pro-Catcher Specialist. Okay. Velohard Bike, Special Interference, Jungle Hollow, Pilot, Rare Lumbering Word Wagon, River Churn Monument, rare, and Crypt Colored Chariot, rare. We had this one already, and again rare Rampaging Air Terror Hood, and last one is mythic Riptide Gearhulk. Gearhulk, nice, looks good. Fourth, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Velohard Bike, Cloudspire's Sky Cycle, Planes, Point Away, Memory Guardian, Roadside Assistance, Skybox Ferry, Run Over, Rugged Highlands, Wrecked Vicar Folk Scarecrow, Pilot, Mythic Salvation Engine. Wow, nice. 610. 4. Nice. Rare Muraganda Raceway Land. There's some damage here. Mouse sand. Okay. Need to check that later. Rare Verbose Host. Eye Guy. And Nissa Word Soul Speaker. Legendary creature, rare. And last one, rare Mendicant Core Guidelight. Okay, at least we had Mythic in here. Here we go again. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cloud Spire, Sky Cycle, Rangers Reviewer, Planes, Treasures Inside, Tune Up, Scorching Skyway, Gastal Blockbuster. Nice. Lotus Guard Disciple, Kitin Gravestalker, Tranquil Cove, Dropper. We have a rare Captain Howder's Sea Scourge, second rare Redshift Rocketeer Chief, third rare Skyseer's Chariot, and again rare Priest of Crossing, Zombie Bird Cleric. Fun combination. And final card we have rare Wastewood Verge. Nice. I don't know, we have 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Boosted Sloop, Skybox Ferry, Island, nice foil island, Boom Scholar, Hunt the Network, Back on Track, Ticket Tortoise, Artifact Creature, Burner Rocket, Voyager Quick Welder, Midnight Mangler, Insect, Burnout Pastronaut. Nice. Nice graphics or art. Fun. It was rare, and we have Willow Rush Verge. Rare District Mascot, Doggy, Dog Mount, rare. Accursed Duneyard, rare. And rare, Count on Luck, Enhancement Team. Alright. Six left. Let's get this one. Six to the back. Carrion Cruiser. Ripclaw Wrangler. That's cool. Forest. Cloudspire Coordinator. Gallant Strike. Kaelorna Coral Tyrant. Migrating Getradon, I don't know how do you even. Geara Seeker Serpent. Siphon Fuel. Thornfoot Falls. Vehicle. We have a rare, Wax and Shape Thief, Monument to Endurance Artifact, rare, Debris Beetle, like a dung beetle I think, looks fun, rare, and rare, Red Tomb Mystic. And we have a rare foil Burnout Astronaut Goblin Warrior. Let's mix these up a little bit. Let's take this one. I will open this one from bottom for good luck. 6. Hull Drifter, Rover Blades, Mountain, Sky Serpent Seeker, Slick Imitator, Ooze, Cloudspirit Captain, Stampeding Scurryfoot, Mouse, Swiftwater Cliffs Land, Spot Cycle Scouter. Let's move this one a little bit on here. Maximum Overdrive, Doctor, Chandra's Ignition, Mythic. Nice, nice graphics. Again, graphics art. Afterburner Expert, rare, Goblin Artificer, Sahur Glory's Past, rare, Zombie Cat Warrior, Renewed Solidarity, rare, enhancement. And last one, Lifecraft Engine, rare, artifact vehicle. Okay. I'm constantly afraid that I will cut the cards when I open them this way, but fingers crossed. that I don't do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rangers Aether Drive. Glamorous Ironclad. Glamorous Menace Crew Suckling. Swamp. Flow Through. Pit Automation. Aether Siphon. Broken Wings. Glamorous Ironclad. Okay, yeah, we got the alternative art version. Night Market, Land, Collision Course, Pilot, Rare, Willow Rush Verge. I think we got this one already. Captain Howler Sea Sword, second one. Bloodcast, Rare. And rare Stride Hanger Automation. And final rare Vaxen Shapeshifter. Alright. Three left. Let's hope the Spark or whatever Aether Spark was the one of the big hitters in these. What I've seen from the other videos. Six. Spire Mech Sykle. That's cool. Air Response Unit. Forest. Earth Rumbler. Spire Mech Cycle, Diversion Unit, Hazard of Dunes, Striking Oil Gorger, Bright Glider, Flood the Engine, and then Trotter, and now we get to the rare or mythic ones. Marketback Walker, Artifact Creature Construct, rare. Oil Deep Gearhulk, oh nice, Gearhulk again, mythic. Beautiful, beautiful. Collodin Triumph Caster, rare, Human Pilot. I thought he's showing middle finger. Wizened Mentor, rare, Zombie Cleric. And last one is Voyager Glide Car, rare foil. Okay, Gearhulk from that one was good. Hopefully it's the valuable one. Most likely not, of course, but nice to see anyways. Two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Spot Cycle Scouter, Apocalypse Runner, Island. Yeah, it may be a little bit dark here today, so hopefully you can see from the video anyways the cards. I don't have proper lights to use yet. Broadside Barrage, Marauding Mako, Razor's Scoreboard, Endrider Catalyzer, Windsguard Crack, and Daring Mechanic. Risky Shortcut. Cropter. Rare. What is that? Yeah, Chase. Unstoppable Plan. Very nice. Rare. Gonti, Night Minister. It's hard. A lot of going on in this card. Rare Gastal Drill Roller. Rare Aetherflux Conduit. And last one is Webstrike Elite. Rare. And one final booster before the box topper. Let's hope all the mythics are in the box topper and there's some great value in there. Six. Fingers crossed that we get something cool here. Ranger's Refuel, Midnight Mangler, Mountain, Tyros Saurid Tyrant, a lot of text in this one. Sundial Dawn Tyrant. Oh, two Tyrants back to back. Amonkhet Raceway, Guidelight Madrix, Magmakin Artillerist, Pirate, Stalled Out, Sorcery Spell, Ripclaw Wrangler, Dinosaur Dragon, Mythic, Oil Deep Gear. Did we get this one or is it? I don't remember anymore. Well, we see later. I will check out the values and what we got on the Mythic and Rare side. Oil Deep Gear Hulk, River Pyre Verge, Propter Fabricator Rare, Saheli Radiant Creator Mythic. This is nice, real nice, looks beautiful actually. So second Mythic. Oh, yeah, there was some special quest I think should be also. I haven't noticed that one or didn't actually even follow. I will check the cards out. And last one, third Mythic, Speed Demon, Legendary Creature Demon. Okay, this was the nice pack. 3 Mythics. So I don't see the special quest in this one. That would be too much if it was here too. Okay, and then we have the box topper, Aether Drift. Let's hope big pulls, big pulls. Big pulls. Which way they are? I think it should be. Yeah. Right. I think the land is on the top, so let's see. Swamp. Peaceland Swamp. And we have rare Redshift Rocketeer Chief. Okay, at least it's a rare. I don't think this is nothing special, but it's a nice card. here. I will check the values of the card and I will see if I can add them while I'm unboxing things. And thank you for watching. If we don't see again in this video, maybe I will record something. And subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, anything cool you think was there. Do you still open Aether Drift stuff, or am I so late on this that no one cares anymore? Well, I care. I had fun opening this, so thanks and see you later.